All right, here's the living room. Relatively big. We have a couch and a table, as well as the TV. You could also fit another couch over there. Here's the first bedroom that faces the street. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. There's the closet. Second bedroom is much bigger. The closet's over there. Here's the bathroom. And then down the hall is bedroom number 3. The closet is right there. And then the last bedroom, which is also the biggest, is a queen size bed. And the closet's behind the door there. And then we have our kitchen. Relatively new appliances. Dishwasher. So the sink has a garbage disposal. And then we have our in-unit laundry in with our pantry. The fridge. And then out this door is the back stairs and the porch.